Morning, everyone. Right, so yesterday's video I mentioned there is a chance that the wave 3 hadn't moved up yet, hadn't finished yet, and we were going to get a little extension up to here to the 1.618 at 35,800. And that's exactly what happened overnight. As you can see, it spiked and then rejected a bit, and then I said we'd probably get a wave 4 which shouldn't break this line here at 33,400. So now it is more than likely we get a bit of a pullback now before we carry on up. It doesn't mean it has to happen. It could just carry on up, so I'm being cautious. But right now we could get a little bit of a pullback, maybe down another 1,000, but it's already rejected overnight anyway. And here's a trade I thought I'd show you. So I set the trade to kick in at 35,200, but it kicked in just after, $20 after, and then I set it to collect profit at the 1.618 extension, which was 35,800. So overnight I made money on that move, on a $600 Bitcoin move on 500 to 1 leverage while I was sleeping. That order was set actually about a week ago. I've just been waiting for it to break that high. But before I went to bed last night is when I changed the take profit to that, after I did my analysis again. So that worked out nicely. So yeah, going back to the chart, let me zoom in a little bit. If I go to the 15 minute, you can see it hit the target, rejected. But I would expect us to get some sort of move down here, even if it's just, well, we'll see how much now. I mean, potentially could be looking at this now. So potentially 34,500. But as I said, we could go all the way down to this blue line here. Oh no, hold on a sec. I got that wrong. Where are we? I need to zoom out. Yeah. So it is that blue line there. As long as it doesn't breach that blue line, which is the previous wave 4, we should be safe to carry on up. But being a wave 4, it only has to actually come back by... Wave 4s can technically only come back to the 1.4. I can't even remember exactly what it is. I'll tell you in a sec. 1.418 or something like that extension. But they can go all the way down to the 0.5. So if we do that now, the bottom of wave 2 is here. Sorry. Oh, do you know what? I'm going to have to cancel that and zoom out again. God, Bitcoin's been so slow. You have to really zoom out to see this move. Right, so yeah. I can't even see where the bottom of wave... Oh no, I remember now. It's this blue line here. Right, so we're going to be looking at a fib retracement from that blue line to the top. I think that's right. Anyway, it's hard to tell because I'd have to zoom right in, but I'm pretty sure that's why this line is here. And as you can see, that was about the top it hit last night. So then if we zoom in a little bit again, move up, so it has to at least hit the 1.46, that's it, I forgot what it was. So it has to at least hit the 1.46, which is here, to be a valid wave 4. So we definitely should see it come down a little bit more today before going back up. And then, as I've mentioned in previous videos, when it does break this high at the 1.618, we should end up at 37k or slightly higher. I'll do another update later if there's any movement. Catch you guys later.